Good morning, and today we are going to go over chapter 12 in your amazing itty bitty visibility book, 15 chapters to marketing made easy. And chapter 12 is all about repurposing your content. This is something I have been doing for years. I love repurposing content, and I love finding new ways that I can repurpose the content that I've done a long time ago. So we're going to go over some ideas today. You've spent a lot of time and effort, blood, sweat, and tears, some would say, to create content, and you've just used it once. Why? Let's get real mileage out of the content that you have already created. For example, a long form video can be broken up into many shorts, and shorts has become a term because YouTube calls their short form videos shorts. And it's kind of a generic term, even though it's just for YouTube. TikTok are called shorts. Short videos can be put up in all the social media platforms as well as YouTube and TikTok. The unique characteristics of a short video is they're usually under 3 minutes. For all of the platforms, it will take under 3 minutes, and over 15 seconds, I believe, is the shortest length for Instagram, I believe. And they all have to be vertical. So as long as they meet those requirements, it can be Instagram or Facebook Reel. It can be put up in LinkedIn. In fact, LinkedIn takes both vertical and horizontal videos. It can be used on TikTok, and it can be put into a YouTube short. Same video for all of those platforms. Now, if you're not using that platform, any of those, that's fine. You don't need to start a platform just to put videos up. When it comes to social media, which we covered a couple chapters ago, you really need to be engaged in whatever the platform is. So if you're just using it to put up videos and you're not actually engaging in the audience there, don't bother. You're not going to get anything out of it. But if you're actually engaging, then let's go ahead and use that as well to repurpose your content. A good example is right now I'm doing a live. It is being saved in a program, or I'm using a program called Riverside, which I'm absolutely loving, and it saves it there. Well, Riverside will automatically go through my live video, and it will create a set of shorts that will be used, or that I will be using in all of those different platforms. So I'm not spending any more time creating those shorts. They're already there. And you can set it up for your branding, for the type of text that you want, for your logo, all of that stuff. It's all just automatically done. And I highly recommend using tools, because prior to these tools, I used to use Descript. And actually prior to that, I used Camtasia, and I created them all myself, which took a lot of time. And now with Riverside, I can just simply do the live and it does it for me. There's no more time invested on my part, which I think is super cool. So that's how I'm repurposing these live videos. And Riverside also gives me a blog post for each video, which I haven't used yet, but I will be using them shortly. Use video transcripts and create articles and posts. This is really easy. Whenever you upload a video into YouTube, it gives you the subtitle caption is a transcript. You can copy and paste that and put it into Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, any AI tool that you want to use, and it will write you a blog post for that specific video. And then you can go on to your blog and put that post in there and embed the video from YouTube, and you've got a really robust blog post. That's another way to turn video content into written content. And then since you've done that, you might as well also post it on Medium, because it doesn't cost you any more, and Substack and some other article places online that you can post things. Use the same content. I'm also using my blog posts as my LinkedIn newsletters. So they're identical. LinkedIn newsletter to blog posts, same articles. Again, get more mileage out of something you've already done by putting it into a different platform. You can take one thought and create an animated GIF or an image card for social posting. So there's different AI programs that will help you do that. Giphy is a great one for animated GIFs, and it's free. Why not use free? Download the audio separately and upload it to podcast websites. So a lot of these programs I can record on Riverside for audio only if I want. This is obviously video and audio. I can download that audio file, upload it to podcasting sites. I haven't done that, but that's something I could do. So just different ideas thrown out for you. Look through all the old files on your computer and you might find gold there. I am currently loving a program called Notebook LM. It is an AI program and it is free. It's through the Google ecosystem. And if you're paying for Google Workspace email, you actually get the pro version for free. So the upgraded version, we'll call it that. And what you can do in that program is upload old presentations. If you record your sales calls in like Zoom, you can upload the transcripts of those sales calls and it will give you all kinds of insights on your sales calls, just one use. It will also give you all kinds of information on how you talk, the words you use, what makes you unique. And then you can take that and enhance your company document that will help all of the other AI programs like Chat and Claude give you better results. Notebook LM also, you can upload your book. So I've uploaded a PDF of this book into Notebook LM and I can do audio overviews, which I've done. I can create infographics, which are absolutely fantastic. We can even create like explainer videos in there. It's all just part of the tool and it's all using your documentation that you upload. Your website, your book, your Google Docs, your PDFs. It's not going out to other platforms and enhancing the result with other people's knowledge, which is another reason I love Notebook LM. So old presentations can get you a lot of mileage that you aren't even aware of. So repurpose content for use in different places. Back to the book here. Why create video for YouTube and not use it on other platforms? Stop doing that. Get as much mileage as you can. Long YouTube videos can be edited into the YouTube app if you don't have any other editor into shorts. It will help you do it yourself. Vertical videos can be added to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all other social sites. Videos uploaded to YouTube are super easy to add to your website. Just grab their embed code, drop it right in. A lot of the new what you get editors like Wix and Squarespace and WordPress, those types of programs, you can just take the link to your video, drop it into their editor, and it will convert it into the embed code. So you don't even have that excuse anymore. And then many article platforms will also allow you to embed video. You can literally get over 30 pieces of repurposed content from one long form video. And when I say long form, I'm thinking 10 minutes on average, 15 minutes. It doesn't need to be hours. It doesn't need to be alive. Just one video on whatever your topic is can get you a month's worth of content or even more than a month's worth of content. So that's all about repurposing content. I highly suggest that you do it if you are taking the time to create either long form videos or blog posts or any written content. You might as well get more marketing power out of it, get more visibility online, increase your search engine optimization, increase your clients, increase your engagement, all sorts of positive things. I can't think of one negative thing about repurposing content. Tomorrow, we're going to talk all about awards and contests in chapter 13. If you want to get your own copy of this book, the 15 chapters to Marketing Made Easy, there will be a link in the YouTube description or in the comments, depending on where you're watching this. And I'll also put a link to Riverside. If you want to give that a try, it is a fantastic program. I'll put that in the comments and the description as well. See you tomorrow.